Hello guys, so today I'm gonna explain how I animated my wallpapers on Hyprland Arch Linux. So first of all, if you use Caelestia-Shell dots, make sure that you disabled your Caelestia wallpapers. So if you go through settings, appearance, background, and wallpaper enabled should be turned off. Because if you turn it on, first of all, you can choose, you can switch between backgrounds here in this panel, but let's say if you're gonna start your mpvpaper here, it's gonna appear when you switch between the wallpapers here and on the background. But if you disable it, you're just gonna see only the black screen instead. You should know that you cannot change your animated wallpapers here because we don't use Caelestia wallpapers but mpvpapers wallpapers. So now we need to install the mpvpaper itself. So we need to write sudo pacman -s mpvpaper and install it. Then we need to go to our make folder where we're gonna keep our wallpapers. I keep them in this directory, which is pictures wallpapers. So you can keep here MP4 or GIF files for your wallpapers. Then we need to make the script for our automatically changing wallpapers. I keep them in config hyper here. You can see two scripts, which are next wallpaper and random wallpaper. So random wallpaper is the one that changes my wallpapers automatically. So I'm gonna leave the script in description with the whole guide. So you can see the directory for our files for our wallpapers where we keep them in, and then interval, which is 120 seconds. So every 2 minutes my wallpaper changes automatically, switches. So you can use it for GIF and MP4 like I said before. Then for this script to work, when you reboot or start your computer, you need to add to hyprland.conf. You need to add this line. It's you can find it in description as well. Then if you're curious about how to make the keybinding to change your wallpapers, then you should also you should also write nano next wallpaper here and input this script in directory config hyper and add this file next wallpaper here and input the script in that file. Then we need to for keybinding to work, we need obviously to add it to keybinding.conf. So nano hyprland keybindings.conf, we need to add this line. So when I press super add, I can switch between wallpapers manually, like that. So this is it. But in the end, we also need to write chmod plus x config, and then write the random wallpapers dot ch and next wallpaper like that, next wallpaper is ch, and then chmod random wallpaper like that. So they're gonna be executed, and in the end we need to write hypercdl reload. So I hope it helps and then it's gonna work. Bye.